Update 3.6 to Pixelmator Pro bring long-awaited support for vector masks, and they are all in the brand new menu. So take a look here in your layer panel. There's a new menu for masks. So click on that. You'll be able to add a mask, but take a look. They already prepare some vector shapes for us to use as masks. So we can click oval, and here it is. We got oval straight away. We can resize this shape. If you want to maintain 1:1 proportion, remember, hold Shift on your keyboard. We can reposition this, and our image is masked inside that vector shape. This option to invert mask. So we got opposite of that. We can change the mask shape. As you can see, there are so many different shapes for us to choose from. So it's really easy to customize the shape of this vector mask. You don't need to be afraid of scaling this up and down. It's 100% a vector mask. So here it is. That's how your image will look masked with this vector thing. You can crop it as the finishing touch, because now we don't need all of this free space around. We can just keep a little bit of free space. And remember, if you got a transparency like that, you will need to export this new version of your image as PNG. So let's head to share the image and select PNG. And here it is, our new masked version. So that's how easy it is to use this brand new mask menu above your layer panel. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.